In this video, we're going to learn how to convert meters to feet and feet to meters. So to convert meters to feet and feet to meters, there's a conversion term you need to know that for every 1 feet, you have in 0.3048 meters. So this is the conversion terms that you are going to be using to convert from meters to feet and from feet to meters. So if we take this first example here, 10 meters to feet, 10 meters to feet. Okay, so we know that 1 feet is equal to 0.3048, and we know that x feet would be equal to 10 meters using meters. So to find the equivalent value for feet, we will cross multiply these two terms, okay, so that this becomes x times 0.3048, and then it is equal to 1 times 10. Okay, so this is 10 times 1, and then this becomes 0.3048x, which is equal to 10. Then if we divide both sides by 0.3048, 0.3048, so that this one cancels out this one, and x is now equal to 10 divided by 0.3048 is 32.8084 to 4 decimal places. Okay, so let's take another example for you to understand more. So for our second example, we have 8 meters to feet. Now I'd like you to pause the video and try this one out yourself. Okay, so we are going to still do the same way we did the other one. So 1 feet is equal to 0.3048 meters. Okay, this implies that x meters, that's what we're looking at, x feet is equal to 8 meters. Okay, so cross multiply from here. Cross multiplying, you have 0.3048 x is equal to 8 times 1. Dividing both sides by 0.3048, you have x equals to 8 divided by 0.3048. Okay, so x divided by 0.3048 is 26.25 feet. Okay, so the equivalent of 8 meters is 26.25 feet. Okay, so let's take another example. Okay, now for the conversion from feet to meters, we have, say, 5 feet to meters. So we are still going to use our constant conversion terms. Okay, so this is 1 feet is equal to 0.3048 meters. Okay, so since we know the value of feet, we say 5 feet, we are looking for the equivalent value of meters equals x meters. Okay, so if we are cross multiplying, this becomes x times 1 equal to 5 times 0.3048. Okay, so that x is now equal to 5 times 0.3048 is equal to 1.524 meters. Okay, so let's quickly take number 4 here. Okay, so 6 foot to meters. Now you can pause the video and try to solve this one out yourself. Okay, so like we did before, we take out the constant conversion terms. So we know that 1 foot is equal to 0.3048. Okay, so we know that 6 foot should be equal to x meters. Okay, so we cross multiply here, and then x is still equal to 0.3048 times 6, so that x equal to 1.8288 meters. Okay, so that's how you convert feet to meters and meters to feet. If you like the video, please share with your friends, leave a like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.